information. So these are the central questions, that what should be done. Everybody has excuses. The unemployment rate is at its peak. But the question is that how to make them employable? Who will pay them? The question is this. Because there is a very simple thing, that if you want to get 1 rupee from somebody, then you have to give them also. You have to give them something. Business or any job service, you don't get free of cost. Everything is based on give and take mechanism. So if you want that somebody give you some certain money, then in return what will you give? You need to give something, some skills, or in a way some product which is of use to them. This is how life works, explained very simply. So when I contemplated this question, I came to know that there are mental skills which are basis of everything that you achieve. You may prepare for UPSC, you may prepare for CAT, you may prepare for NDA, you may prepare for JEE, main, advanced, NEET, you may prepare for being a scientist at NASA, you may prepare for developing a new software, you may prepare for developing a new operating system, you may prepare for anything, but the central requirement is of a well-developed mind-brain system having certain mental skills, which is a core requirement in any field. So I took a chance, or you can say that a step, to develop some mechanism by virtue of we can train the young minds for being a better version of themselves. So you can search OST by Acharya Vishvendrak. I have compiled a book with the same name. It's available on Amazon, Flipkart and Notion Plus. Secondly, you can also search my YouTube video on the OST program. So it's a 21 days mind training program. You will have to undergo 90-minute training before sleeping, which makes you enable to learn the techniques of how to integrate your mind and brain, and basically the coordination between brain and the 3 parts of the mind, which is conscious, subconscious and the unconscious. So you need to know the frequencies at which these systems coordinates. Actually, the thing is that what if you are a skilled person, if you are successful in life, that means you have learned to develop your mind-brain algorithms. You have learned how to use mind and brain as a system, and as and when needed. So the central concept is this. For example, take the case of students who qualify JEE or NEET. So every student who gave the exam have got mind and brain and the interaction mechanism between them. But only those students are able to qualify the exam whose mind-brain algorithms are better than others. They are able to use, or they are able to retain information which they learned 1 year or 2 years back when needed, you see. So that is the central point. It's about retaining information from the